A hearty welcome to all. We, the students of RMT Engineering College, performed a mini project based on the subject electromagnetic fields. The team members are Reena Johanna, Nityashri MB, Lasya Priya, and Roshni. Our project name is Metal Detector. Metal detector is an instrument that detects the presence of metal nearby. Metal detectors are useful for finding metal inclusions hidden within objects or metal objects buried in underground. Though some metals cannot be detected, such as gold, silver, iron, copper, etc., because of their poor conductivity of electricity and because they are non-detectable object.
The components required for our project metal detectors are 9-volt battery, buzzer, IC555, resistors, capacitors, copper wire, breadboard, and some connecting wires. The operation of metal detectors is based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. When electric current passes through a coil, it produces a magnetic field around it. Electromagnetic induction states that the EMF induced in a loop due to changing the magnetic flux is equal to the rate of change of magnetic flux surrounding the loop.
Now I'm going to explain about the features of metal detector. First one, the excellent stability and its low cost, loudspeaker output, good sensitivity. Now, uses of metal detector. It is used to detection of landmines and detection of weapons like guns and knives, especially in airport security, and archaeology and treasure hunting in construction industry to detect the steel reinforcing bars in voids and concrete pipes buried in frozen walls. Now, Nityashi will explain about the working of metal detector.
This is our EMF mini project metal detector. In this project, when a metal object is brought near the coil, the metal gets detected and a sound is produced from the buzzer. This project has been developed considering the need for low cost. The equipment is compact, simple in design, and can be used practically everywhere needs. This circuit may also be constructed by using chip CS209A or 555 timer. The
Thank you.
advantages of metal detector are circuit diagram is very simple. We can easily measure the oscillation resonant frequency of this circuit. Instead of fixed capacitor value, we can also use variable capacitor for tuning purposes. Disadvantages of metal detector are it has less sensitivity. Even the detectors can, with good coil compensation, could not always detect the smaller target to the required depth. Thank you.